James Dyson set out after an unusual dream to create the ultimate vacuum cleaner. After thousands of prototypes, failed licensing deals, and countless fruitless meetings with distributors, he finally got his bagless vacuum into stores and took both Britain and the US by storm. Still the sole owner of his company, Dyson turned vacuum design into a billion-dollar business, invested in films like Avatar, and still gets 10 hours of sleep every night. So who was Sir James Dyson before he was a billionaire? I'm Gerard Haran, and this is Before They Were Billionaires on Valuetainment. James Dyson was born May 2nd, 1947 in Cromer, Norfolk, England, to Alec and Mary Dyson. His father died of cancer when James was 9. This tragedy deeply affected the little boy, and he felt very lost and insecure without a father figure to guide him. He attended Gresham School, a boarding school in Holt, Norfolk, from 1956 to 1965, where he excelled at long-distance running, to this day crediting his gritty determination and his success back to his days as a runner. He went to London after graduation and studied at the Byam Shaw School of Art for 1 year before studying furniture and interior design at the Royal College of Art. He later moved on to engineering. Following his graduation in 1970, he took a job at Rotork Controls. Here he had the good fortune of having an unconventional boss, Jeremy Fry, who encouraged young talents and motivated them to be innovative. His boss put Dyson in charge of designing a high-speed landing craft, in spite of the fact that Dyson had no prior experience designing a product. Working along with his boss, he designed the Rotork Sea Truck, a high-speed watercraft similar to a small landing craft. In 1974, he came up with his first original invention, the ball barrel. It was a variation of the wheelbarrow design, featuring a molded plastic hopper on a steel frame and a spherical plastic wheel, allowing increased maneuverability as compared to the conventional design. Instead of 1, 2, 3 tires, it was just one giant 360 tire in the middle. In the late 1970s, he faced a problem with his new vacuum cleaner and felt that the bag system was hindering the efficient performance of the appliance.
What I realized was that the very first dust which goes into a bag reduces the suction very quickly.
So he began working on designing a bagless vacuum cleaner that could be more efficient. He came up with the idea of using cyclonic separation to create a vacuum cleaner that would not lose suction as it picked up dirt, and over the next 5 years, he tirelessly worked on his designs. Finally, in 1983, he launched the G-Force cleaner. The G-Force cleaner! He could not find any distributor to handle his product in the UK, so he launched it in Japan through catalog sales. The product became very popular overseas, and with its proceeds, in 1993, he was able to open his own company, Dyson Limited. He launched the Dyson DC-01 vacuum cleaner in Britain in 1993. Within a couple of years, the appliance became the best-selling vacuum cleaner in the country. Following the success of this model, he launched several other improved versions in the subsequent years. His company launched a washing machine called the Contra-Rotator, which had 2 rotating drums moving in opposite directions in 2000. But the machine was not a commercial success and was discontinued. In 2006, he launched the Dyson Airblade, a fast hand dryer that uses a thin sheet of moving air as a squeegee to remove water instead of using heat. This design uses less energy than traditional electrical hand dryers and allows faster driving. I personally hate it, but I'm weird, so whatever. In '96, Dyson was appointed a Commander of the Order of British Empire. In '97, he was awarded the Prince Philip Designer's Prize. He became Sir James Dyson when he was made a Knight Bachelor in the 2007 New Year's Honors. And in March of 2009, Dyson, the entrepreneur, inventor, policymaker, and still the sole owner of his company, became a billionaire. For Valuetainment, I'm Gerard Haran, and this has been Before They Were Billionaires.